Yep, I agree. So we're going to do a Rampage head-off, or whatever you want to call it. We'll play the NES version first, and then we'll play our new N64 complete in box deal of the century right there, my friends. So, yep. So it's a little montage: Rampage World Tour and Rampage Data East. Or they're both Data East, but you know what I mean. Here, we'll go this one first.
I might need to get clean. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. It's not bad. It'll come.
Okay, I need to.
There's no manual with this though.
I know. That's what I said.
All right. Needs to be cleaned.
Yeah. But the box is like really nice.
Show it on the screen real quick.
The box is really nice. This is the first ever 64 box I've ever held.
All right, try it again. We're doing this one. Haha! You got the touch. Dun, dun.
Oh man, I stayed on the 64 controller.
Let's do that.
I don't even know what Rampage is. I've never played it.
Really? You beat the building down. It's Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay.
It's the other half of Wreck-It Ralph. You put this and Fix-It Felix, and you got Wreck-It Ralph.
Ooh.
You can climb up the building and you punch. You go up. And then you got to make the building. Yeah, you got to crash the building. And you eat the people. A certain percentage of the building's got to be crashed for you to fall. Arcade's way better than this. This isn't bad. Ooh.
You play that one.
Alright, you don't like this game.
No.
I gotta at least get by the first board in it.
It controls weird.
Yeah, it's not quite like it's supposed to be.
Look how he gets so tiny when he falls in the
Yeah.
water.
It's his hand sticking up out of the water.
You could probably do all three of those NES games in one video.
Yeah, probably. Oh, that's going to be a fall. That's always been fun. All right. Ah, that's weak. This was more of a two-player game. You play against your, see who gets more of the buildings. This one fell on its own. Do, 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 do. He looks more like a chimp than King Kong.
Yeah. This game's okay.
It's not bad.
Why do you shrink?
It's when you die. Excuse me. They don't give you enough time to get off the building.
Maybe they want you to be more strategic about it and hit it when you're at the bottom. How many lives do you have?
I don't know. I don't even know if this does live. It might just be a continual play.
Yeah, because this by itself is a $20 game. So we paid
Yeah.
loose price.
Yeah, we did. Hey, he's a nice guy.
Yeah.
I got to day 5. The controls are definitely wonky. Huh. I don't know how many lives you got, because that was 3rd. That's alright. I think we need to play the other one now, just to compare. Alright, now we're going to do the N64. Show the cartridge. Same thing.
Yeah. Buy you the box right there.
It's a little different.
While it's true that there have been no serious side effects reported so far, I think we need to stop production before...
Well, that's cool. It's a little different.
It's the same.
Yeah.
You'd be happy that if you used the D-pad.
Okay, control better at least?
Yeah. About the same. Wanna play?
Yeah, okay.
He said on fire. So you got like regular houses. Let's see if you can throw the card.
Oh, you can jump on it.
Oh!
That's cool. I can't climb up to build it though.
Is it come up the other side?
Definitely better controls.
This game looks really good.
Yeah.
Because they went for the side-scrolling approach, they really did the graphics pretty nice. And you don't take fall damage.
Yeah, which is smart.
78.
Clearly, the creature's goal is to wipe scum labs from the face of the earth.
That's a pretty good game.
Yeah.
And you can eat those guys. You turn into a naked girl.
Yeah, you're Lizzie.
Oh. Oh.
So that's game over, that's it? Let's try that movie. He's in the arcade one. I don't know why the NES doesn't have it.
Yeah, you only have the
Lizard
Yeah.
King Kong.
Yeah, you can do like a bunch of moves and stuff. Screw it up. $99. You got pretty good.
Nice.
Clearly, the creature's goal is to wipe scum labs from the face of the earth.
What if parents complain about this one?
It's been around so long.
I know, but the 3D graphics. This was the era where parents really started freaking out. Because Super Nintendo had like Mortal Kombat and stuff, and that was the beginning of it. And then once they got to 3D, that's when they were really like... Did you see how
He's
he's flat? continue, press start.
It's, if you want to join in. I'm good. It's 15 minutes anyways. You want to play again?
No.
Alright, that's good for today.